Hi everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, motorcycle enthusiasts, and lovers of all things powerful and custom, welcome to a deep dive into one of the most thrilling creations to hit the roads in 2024. Today, we're talking about a machine that is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of style, a testament to craftsmanship, and a roaring symbol of freedom on two wheels. It's a machine that takes the already impressive Breakout and elevates it to a whole new level, proving that there is always a way to make something better, bolder, and more exhilarating. The Harley-Davidson Breakout is legend in its own right, a motorcycle that has captured the hearts of riders with its powerful presence and undeniable performance. It comes equipped with an engine that boasts a displacement so substantial that nothing else can compare. This isn't just an engine, it's a beast that roars to life with a twist of the throttle, propelling the bike forward with a force that demands respect. With a drivetrain that only the most skilled riders can truly master, the Breakout is designed for those who crave the thrill of raw power. And while its top speed is capped just below 200 km per hour, make no mistake, this bike has the potential to unleash a relentless surge of acceleration that feels unstoppable. The Breakout's long, stretch design is the stuff of dreams for any young rider who yearns for a machine that can channel their boundless energy into forward momentum. It's a bike that beckons you to take it out on the open road, to experience the freedom and excitement that only a Harley-Davidson can deliver. It's no wonder that we at Thunderbike have a deep-seated love for this drag style aesthetic, a style that has stood the test of time and continues to captivate bikers around the world. But as much as we admire the Breakout, we couldn't help but think that it could be even better. Let's be honest, the stock Breakout, while impressive, is like a tall student who towers above his classmates but struggles to excel in physical education. We knew that with a little help, this bike could be transformed into a true champion, one that not only passes the test but does so with flying colors. And so, the Razor 6 was born, a custom masterpiece that takes the Breakout to new heights. Our journey with the Razor 6 begins with the tank, a crucial element in the bike's overall design. The GP-style aluminum tank is not just a fuel container, it's a work of art, crafted in-house with the precision and care that only Thunderbike can deliver. In today's world, creating a custom tank isn't as simple as it once was. Modern tanks require a combination of a fuel pump and fuel gauge, making it a challenge to build one from scratch. But we rose to the challenge, and the result is a tank with a bold, muscular design and daring edges that command attention. Does it still remind you of the sloping shoulders of that tall student? Perhaps, but now it's the shoulders of a student who's ready to dominate the sports field. The rear fender and saddle also bear the GP name, designed with the same attention to detail and commitment to performance. The LED lights are discreetly integrated into the fender, maintaining the bike's sleek and powerful silhouette. Everything about the rear end has been shortened to the bare minimum, creating a compact, aggressive look that radiates power. Because, as we all know, a short tail is a sure sign of strength and dominance. Moving to the front of the bike, we've equipped the Razor 6 with a triple tree that adds an extra 3 degrees of rake to the standard 2 degrees, resulting in a total fork rake of 5 degrees. It doesn't take a genius to figure out that this adjustment gives the bike a more commanding, planted stance, with a front end that exudes confidence and authority. The Razor 6 rolls on Technoid Vegas wheels, a striking choice from our Vegas Cut series. These wheels, with their straight spokes and Technoid bolts, are a perfect match for the bike's overall aesthetic. At first glance, you might think that the wheels share the same dimensions as the standard Breakout, 21 inches in the front and 18 inches in the rear, but look closer, and you'll see that everything about them is different. The rear wheel is showcased in all its glory, thanks to our custom disc brakes that cleverly conceal the disc on the left side. Up front, we've gone big, increasing the disc size from 300 to 340 mm with our Vegas disc, made possible by our disc adapter and radially bolted calipers. These enhancements not only improve the bike's stopping power but also add to its bold, aggressive look. For the chassis, we've opted for Hyper-Pro suspension, paired with our GP stub handlebar that's bolted directly to the upper tubes. This setup isn't just about looks, it's about creating a ride that's as agile and responsive as it is powerful. The Kestek mufflers, combined with Scream and Eagle air filters, ensure that the engine breathes freely, delivering the kind of performance that makes your heart race with every twist of the throttle. Of course, no Thunderbike creation would be complete without our signature fine-tuning. From the headlight cap and side license plate holder to the metal front fender and GP front spoiler, every detail has been carefully considered and meticulously executed. Our stripe turn signals are almost invisible, blending seamlessly into the bike's design, while the powder-coated engine parts and black DLC coating on the fork stanchions represent the pinnacle of surface treatment technology. And then there's the color. Chico's pinstriping is nothing short of mesmerizing. At first glance, it might appear to be simply black, but look closer, and you'll discover a world of subtle color nuances that add depth and character to the bike's overall appearance. But don't take our word for it, take a careful look yourself. The Razor 6 isn't just a bike to be admired from a distance, it's a bike that demands closer inspection, a bike that reveals its true beauty the more you study it. In the end, the 2024 Harley-Davidson BREAKOUT Custom by Thunderbike is more than just a motorcycle. It's a declaration of love for the drag style, a celebration of Thunderbike's commitment to excellence, and a powerful reminder of why we ride. When the rider climbs aboard and revs the engine, the Razor 6 roars to life, ready to disappear into the horizon in a thunderous display of speed and power. Thanks for watching.